Rumi is sitting in the rover's cockpit, where she receives a description of the exploration mission. Rumi feels nerves are standing up and the importance of exploration. Nervous Rumi admires the beautiful universe again, and then concentrates on her mission again. As soon as she arrives, Rumi encounters a space creature that she has never seen before and feels the mystery of the universe with her whole body. Suddenly, an alien attack began. Rumi prepares to fight aliens. A fierce battle between Rumi and the aliens has begun, and Rumi fights the aliens very nicely. Finally, Rumi wins, leaving the aliens behind and going back to the spacecraft. What will happen to Rumi's next trip to space?